All right, so this is the next one. This is another Christmas design I'm gonna make. And this one we're gonna do is a candy cane. Fast, quick, 2 ballooners, and I usually use red and white, so let's get going. So the balloons are gonna need, like I just said, red and white, 260s. So basically all you're gonna do is blow it up, wrap it around in a circle like this, like a candy cane, and then twist it. Okay, I'll show it to you. Blow up the balloons. So you want the balloons, the 2 balloons, nicely stretched and about that long in length. Grab the 2 ends, the nozzle, the ones with the knots. You're gonna lock them in together. And I'm gonna feed one through, because I just did 2 twists here, and I'm gonna feed it through. So at least it's locked in place. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spiral them. And to spiral them is I'm going to push 1 balloon forward, 1 balloon back, and I'm going to keep doing that. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. And my palms right here are just kind of guiding it. And then you just keep doing that. And while you're doing it, you could also squeeze the balloon. And what that does, when you're squeezing the balloon, is stretching the balloon out where it gets closer to the tip, but the tail gets smaller and smaller each time you do it. So you just keep doing it until you're happy. And also, if you didn't get to the end, you could just squeeze these, just hug it. See how much the tail took it? Now it's almost gone. So I'll do that again. And then all you do is just keep wrapping until you're at the very end, and then just lock the 2. You just lock the 2 at the very end, like that. So I did twice, and I'm gonna feed one under over. So the white one I'm gonna feed under, over, and you have a quick candy cane. A seized candy cane, a straight one like this. But to make it a candy cane-esque, what most people do, so you're gonna curl it. So to curl it, all you're gonna do is just twist it, like about right there. And before you let it go, you wanna squeeze this area. So what you're gonna do is you're squeezing it to keep it kind of contoured. And you squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Where it's curled, just squeeze the curled area and let it go. And so then you have a candy cane, a fast, quick candy cane. All right, so that's it for the candy cane. But if you wanna, here's a candy cane right here, boom. It's pretty big. But if you wanna make it a little smaller, you can just squeeze it nice and tight, and you could actually do this with a 260. No, this is a 160. So the difference between a 160 and a 260, you can see the difference. But it actually looks better on a 160, believe it or not, because I don't know, but sometimes I like it big, so it's your choice. So you get the difference of the 2. Here's a thumbnail. So quick candy cane. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.